If you're opening DaVinci Resolve for the first time, the first thing you need to do is create a new project. This step sounds simple, but it is actually important. Your project is where all of your edits, media, timelines, and settings are saved. If you organize things properly from the start, editing becomes much easier later. Let's walk through it. First, open DaVinci Resolve. When the program launches, you will see something called the Project Manager. Think of the Project Manager like a library. Every video you create inside Resolve is stored here as its own project. To start a new one, go to the bottom right corner and click New Project. A small window will appear asking you to name your project. This is where many beginners make a mistake. They name projects things like Video 1 or Test Project. That works at the beginning. But after 20 or 30 projects, everything becomes difficult to find. A better habit is to use clear names. For example, YouTube Tutorial. Once you type the name, click Create. Resolve will now open your brand new project. You are now inside the main editing workspace. Before importing footage, there is one thing I recommend doing first. Go to File. Then click Project Settings. This is where you control things like timeline resolution and frame rate. Here is an important tip that beginners often miss. Once you start editing a timeline, changing the frame rate later can cause problems. So it is better to set it correctly right now. For a standard YouTube video, many creators use 1920 by 1080 resolution at 24 or 30 frames per second. If you are editing higher resolution footage, you might choose 4K. After confirming your settings, click Save. And that is it. You have successfully created a new project in DaVinci Resolve. From here, the next step is importing your footage so you can start editing. In the next tutorial, I will show you exactly how to bring video files into Resolve and organize them properly. Doing that correctly can save you a lot of time when you start editing.